Hey guys, it's Leah and I was at this product to review, but it's not the way I think of this product. So this is the Arbo Leaf Massager. It does come with several different parts. So first of all, you do get this case, and inside the case is going to be your massager here, as well as all these different parts here. So you have this little piece, and then this style, and then this one I really like for the neck. And last is gonna be this piece. So all you do is take this and you simply just insert it in there and it's good to go. Power button is right here, so just press it down and you can see it is now going. You can hit your spots where you want it to go. Really good for the back. And I'm just gonna turn this off here. It does have the charger port right here, so you are going to get that also in your case. So you got that, as well as your manual in here on how to use this device. It is pretty straightforward, great little device, and I totally recommend it.